Hey guys, what's up? Today I am going to disassemble Mos Eisley. As you can see right now, I didn't touch anything yet, but first of all I will take off the minifigures and hopefully put them all on the plate right here. I don't know if they will all fit, but we will see. So yeah. The mock will be, for now, stored in some boxes and yeah, probably will be sold to a friend of mine or something. We will see. I will keep you updated and yeah. So, as I said, let's start with the minifigures, take them all off and yeah, the next step after that would be separating some of the sections. For example, taking off this area and maybe I will have to split the hanger in half, probably right here and right here. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so now the minifigures are cleaned up and it looks pretty empty, I have to admit, but well, yeah. So right here you can see all the minifigures and I will quickly go through them all because you maybe could not see single figure that well in the initial review, so let's get through with the minifigures. Just some Mandalorians, Cat Bane, I don't know the name of the blue guy, a Rodian, some Astromechs right there, some Rebel that acts as a civilian, that Stormtrooper. Then we have Commander Cody, a Jet Trooper with a DC-15S blaster rifle, another Jet Trooper, Rocket Trooper, and a Technician, Stealth Trooper, some Clone Trooper, I don't know what to call the one guy, I don't know. Some other clones right here, Clone Army Customs based version right here. This was one of a kind, or this is one of a kind. It's custom order he did for me. And this one right here is from Minifix for You. He made a promotional campaign, I believe, like 3 years ago, maybe, I don't quite know. It was his clone army and he made the campaign on Indiegogo.com, and if you donated $100 US, you got the minifigure with just a normal old episode 3 helmet and yeah, as well as 20 clone troopers. Obviously I jumped onto the deal because it's a pretty cool minifigure. Then I have a bunch of 212 normal clone troopers, airborne troopers. Behind that is just a medical droid right here. Oops. To the right is Seth, then to his left is a clone commando, another clone commando right behind him. Those two, there we go, are Clone Army Customs as well as Commander Cody. Then in the front we have custom ATRT. The instructions for it are on our YouTube channel, I believe. It's just a regular 212 body and a Clone Army Customs ATRT driver helmet. Pretty cool. Let's go over here. We have the standard Lego AAT. And there is a Battlefront 2, Battlefront 2 style droid sniper in the main gun. And yep. Then in the front we have 4 Javas, and Namori and Garrett. I don't know why I have one of those, but alright. 3 Gonk droids, a few crates. This one I believe has the Death Star plans in it. Custom Jedi Starfighter with a clone gunner inside. And a small swamp speeder as well as 2 speeder bikes. Then from left to right, a few DC-15 S-Blast rifles that I had laying around on the mock. A few crates. 5 droidicas, I believe, maybe 6. Then 2 rocket droids and an engineer droid. Some commando droids and a commando droid commander or captain. 3 stabs, General Grievous. A few, well, kind of broken down battle droids that I painted some time ago. It was a big mistake, don't paint your battle droids. And yeah, 2 of those bins, buckets of battle droids. Those are 0.3 liters, by the way, if you're wondering. And a bunch of super battle droids. One has the rocket arm, the others are regular, as well as a few commanders. 2 of the very old design, some of the completely yellow torso, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So now I have to make sure that I split everything apart as best as possible so I can store it away and yeah, hopefully get it all sorted out. And yeah, right down here I still have tons of those Clone Wars clone troopers that I would like to make a mock with, but I don't know, we will see. And yeah, let's get into the separation part of the rest of the mock. Now that the hangar is gone, and yeah, this is what it looks like without the hangar. And yeah, it's a pretty large space and everything is in this box. Pretty torn apart, but nothing else I can do about it. It's pretty simple to put together if needed, I believe. And yeah, next step will be taking the tower down, putting it in a box as well, and then I will split the big base plates here and here and take like the section out of it and maybe put it on top of the hangar parts. So yeah, let's get going. Okay, so right now everything is stored in those 5 crates. It took me like 5 hours to put it all into the boxes right here. For example, in the top one you can see, or you can kind of see all the areas, or the plates I should say, of the hangar area, and down below is everything else just put into those 4 boxes down there. And yeah, I started putting down some base plates and connecting them with some simple crates. And yeah, had to swap out the base plate that was holding all those minifigures, because I don't know if you've noticed, but the new grey base plates are 48 by 48 studs, and the old ones, like this one, has 50 by 50 studs, so I only have 6 of the new ones, and yeah, that's why I had to swap them out, and that's why I only have 6 of the new ones right now. And yeah, obviously have to get some more of those because our new mod requires a lot of them, at least 6 more, maybe even some smaller gray base plates for the areas on the sides. Maybe we can make like an overhang like this, so we have just some space all around. And yeah, that's pretty much all we have for you today. If you have any questions, suggestions, whatever, leave it down in the comments below. And yeah, our poll is still open. I will leave it down in the description once again. If you would like to vote, feel free. Every single vote is appreciated. And yeah, until next time, have a nice day.